Now it's time to just sit and hang out with my silkies, my favorite part. Or I guess all my chickies. Gotta sit with all of them. So I think I'll set you right here, I guess. Let's see what we see from here. Hi, Rosie. I put a little bird some of the seed mix on my lap so they come on up and eat it. It's pretty fun. Once the birds get about 6 months old, they kind of don't want anything to do with me. We can keep feeding them, they like food. Mr. Frizzle Dizzle up there, he's the one that pretends like a little dog. Seems to come over by me, although except now that I put food over there, that's where he is. This one's Jumpy, she's a year and a half old. Her name's Jumpy because she's real jumpy. Hi, pretty girl. She's a copper marin. Or like splash copper marin or something. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, so pretty. You sure are. Hi. Oh, girl. Scratchies. Doing okay? Yeah. You're the least picked on. Yeah, I think you're the quickest. I think you're the fastest one of the both, aren't you? You know what itchy's yours? Under the wings, you like that? Yeah. Oh. Hi, honeys. Guess you can't see what's going on in my lap over there. Woo. They did not like that moving around. Sorry. Maybe like that, and you'll see some faces. There we go. I hold still, they come over. Hi, Rosie. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Coco. Coco's missing some toes. The middle ones. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. Oh no, I saw that. Oh. Somebody's getting things going over there. Hi, Frizzle Dizzle. You coming over? Come on over, buddy. Come on up there. Hi, Frizzle. Hi. There's a good spot. Yeah. What you up to? He does that a lot, well, doesn't he? That's Rosie the rooster. He was supposed to be a lady. Mr. Silky. Mr. Frizzle Dizzle is a silky frizzle mix. That's why his feathers stick up a little more. But they're so fluffy. They're so fluffy. This one's an ISA. Oh. And this one is a black Australorp. So is she over there. And she is... No, wait. That's a Jersey Giant, and this is a Jersey Giant. And then the two brown and white ones are ISAs. I don't remember what that stands for. They're not much for cuddling, but they lay eggs, so that's good. The black and white ones are Baird Rocks. But now that we've been living in the cold, well, all the time, and their poor combs, those big old combs, they get frostbite when moisture builds up in the coop. Plus the cold air equals frostbite. So I've been trying to get the chickens with the smaller combs so they don't get as much frostbite. Like these ladies, it's pretty short. The Americanas, their combs are really short. You can kind of see hers a little bit. Just barely has one. Same with the Silkies. The female Silkies don't have it. Not that Silkies are the most cold tolerant, but they survive winter here. I think having this is good. I didn't want to use a heat lamp because those are a fire hazard. And these waterers, they say they only get to 86 degrees, so not much should catch on fire with that. Hey there, bud. Okie dokie. That's about it. Oh, that's up there. It is what you buy a heat lamp in, but I put just an LED outside light that's like 75 watts in it. Thought I was trialing on a timer so that they would lay some eggs. But then the eggs were frozen anyway, so it didn't really seem to make a big difference. So, I mean, as far as us being able to consume more eggs. They did start laying more eggs, but they're frozen. Because it's cold here. Alright, that's it from the Kimono. See you next time.